welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today I have a wig unit sent from Arabella Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So they sent this wig in a chestnut dark brown color in 26 inches, 180% density, in a 13x4 lace frontal, and this is also a deep wave texture. So this wig does come with an additional adjustable strap and also two combs, one at the nape and one that sits right behind the lace frontal. So here I'm coming on with the wig unit. I actually went and curl defined the hair. I did not use any products, no conditioner, no oil. I literally just submerged the hair in water and used my curl define brush and defined it that way, and I let it air dry as normal. So this is like the natural curl of the hair, you guys. I'm just using the back of I'm just using my hot comb to move the hairs out of the way so that I can see my hairline. I also went in with my foundation and tinted my lace, and yeah, so you guys would definitely be seeing some new products being used. I felt like for 2024 I wanted to use like different products for my hair installs, so you guys would be definitely seeing that throughout the video and like moving forward. I don't want to give a like final, I guess, review of the products just yet because this video is actually my first one of using them, but I'm just trying out some new products for you guys just to see if I can get like a better install than what I've already been like giving you guys, I guess. So yeah, all of those things can be found in my Amazon storefront. All of the hot tools, I actually have it pinned in my Amazon storefront, and it's called Hairstyling 2024, I believe. So yeah, you guys could definitely go and check out any of the products. It's all updated for 2024. But I felt like for this hair video, because I was like using different products, I was really taking my time with my install. So you guys will probably see a little bit more footage than like normal than what I normally do. And it's just because this is like the first video that I filmed for 2024. These videos are definitely pre-filmed, by the way. I am just cutting my lace and I'm using my Ghost Bond glue. Now, I would love to know what type of bonding glue you guys use for your lace wigs. I felt like the Ghost Bond is something that I'm not really wanting to give up, so I didn't find anything else. I'm just so used to Ghost Bond, you guys, and I feel like I've been using Ghost Bond since I started my YouTube channel. So yeah, but I'm curious to know what you guys use. But I don't think the Ghost Bond is going anywhere. I think the Supreme is the one that has the best hold in my opinion. So yeah, if you guys are looking for like a really good hold, Ghost Bond it is. I don't have any problems with it. I don't get bumps around my hairline, and I also don't find it terribly hard to get off. I just use 99% like rubbing alcohol to get it off, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Anyways, back to this hair review. I'm just pressing in the glue, you guys, and you guys will see me go in and part around the perimeter of my hairline. I just want to go in and like pluck behind the hairline because I felt like it was a little dense on the sides. So you guys would definitely see me do that, and then I'll come back after. Okay, so I'm going in with this Fantasia Spritz and the whole elastic band thing. I found it on like Instagram. I don't know. It's not my thing, but I was like, I'm going to try something different. So I bought the products and I'm just spraying it on my finger and putting it on that way because it is a little runny. So yeah, just bear with me because this isn't my thing, right? This isn't my thing. But I'm just using my hot comb to like back comb. I have the elastic band on, and I'm also just gonna go in and like curl define my hair. And I think all of that took about 10 minutes, just about 10 minutes. But the girl said that you're supposed to be putting this on like overnight, keeping on overnight and like for hours and stuff like that. I wouldn't dare. Like, excuse me, that's like pure torture. Like, this isn't my thing, but I'm trying it, okay? So bear with me. Anyways, 10 minutes later, I took it off, and I'm like, okay, I see the melt that y'all are talking about, but I have a white cast, so that's fine. I could just use my foundation. So I purchased the Ruby Kisses Creamy Foundation from the beauty supply store, and I applied it, right? I just don't get it because it really was like not sticking. Like, it's not. You guys know that I'm into my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation in the color Cocoa. So this creamy foundation isn't really my thing. It transfers, and I felt like I was applying this foundation for like 15 minutes, and I don't get it. Like, it's transferring. I also found that it was on my fingers. I guess it's because it's a creamy and it's not a matte, like it's not drying, and that's what I'm used to. I don't know if I was supposed to like seal it with maybe some more spritz or something. I don't know. That actually makes sense. I don't know, but I don't think anybody told me to do that. So I don't know. If this is your technique, let me know what I did wrong, because I would love to know. I would absolutely love to know. Now, it did blend, but I just felt like throughout the video, even like past this part, I was still like applying this foundation. So I'm gonna learn from it and like see what I can come up with for like my next set of videos or whatnot. I'm not gonna give up on it yet, but I think it did a really good job with blending, I guess. Like, I'm still like applying this. But anyways, I am still going to be doing like the same old hair tutorial, throughout this hair video. I am going to go in and do my baby hairs. I did them a little bit more fluffy. I feel like curly and fluffy baby hairs go together. But that's pretty much it. I'm showing you guys like me doing one side. I don't think I did the other side for you guys on camera. But as for this hair didn't give me any problems as with tingling or shedding, and it also did not have a smell. And also, when I went to curl define it, I submerged it all in water, and I do want to let you guys know that the water did have like a yellow tint, but it was like a yellow tint. It wasn't like dark brown or anything like that. So I just want to let you guys know that you guys probably wouldn't have to worry about any like bleeding of the hair. Also, when it comes to the texture, this is a Deepwave texture. I do feel like the frontal was a little bit more on the curlier side than the Deepwave side. So I felt like it kind of all like pulled together. I felt like I could have probably had a little bit more of like a defined curl had I not went in and plucked and stuff like that. But because I didn't have the hair curl defined all throughout after I plucked, then I felt like it made the curls a little bit more frizzy. But other than that, you guys, let me know what you guys think of this technique and the hair color and things like that. I don't think I reviewed a curly brown wig before, and if I have, I think it's been a while. I don't remember. I can't recall. But I just wanted to try some different stuff, wispier baby hairs, spend a little bit more time on my hair, try new products and stuff like that. But again, let me know if I tried your hair technique down in the comment section. I would love to know. And that's pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I'm just going to go ahead and let this video play out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.